Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. I did it. All right. It's go time. Hey, Big Daddy Shin hanging out. Day 92 at 24 Hour Fitness. And yes, it is super early in the morning, and I got here before 5, which is amazing. So, you know what? I'm going to take advantage. Like, while I woke up and with intentions. I've been training for this. Remember, trying to get up like at 5:30, 5:45, and then all of a sudden, 4:25. It was weird. So, you know what? I knew I had to do this because I'm going to the Dodger game later. There's no way I'm exercising yet right there. And this is how crazy it is, because I'm checking in, and then there's DeAndre right over there. He gets off at 5. So I am going to check in and stuff, and then say hi to him and go do my stuff. Alright? Dude, yeah, I'm here early. I woke up at 5:25. I'm like, okay, I'm going to go for it. This is the second time I did this. First time was like last week, and I've been training, trying to wake up early. So I checked in. You had 2 big ones? There you go. Yeah, so, and then I have Dodger game later, so I'm going to take off and do the thing. Yes, so here we go. This is what we're going for, right? Yes? Yeah. So, yeah, even DeAndre is shocked. So he does a graveyard shift over here. But, you know, usually after dance class, I'll see him. And, oh, yeah, I'm going to go late. But then now, you know, I'm being part of the early crowd. You know, so this is what it looks like, the early crowd. I should do weights, but I want to get that warm-up in with the other stuff. And then Lisa, you just sent me a text. Yes. See the clock up there? Yes. Now you can see. I know, I feel bad. It feels like I'm just bragging, like, oh yeah, here I am, super early. But you know what? I did it, so I am gonna brag. Hey, here I am, super early. Gonna get all this stuff done. And you know, some people are still sleeping. Yeah, some people are still sleeping, but not me. Not me and my 280-pound self. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. See, what's crazy is that my weight does fluctuate that much. I mean, on a daily basis. But, you know, it all balances out. In the morning, I guess it's supposed to be your true weight. You know, you pee all everything out, and then, I don't know. But, feels good, especially after a day of just taking it easy, getting my body back to normal, drinking a lot of water, you know, eating healthier, so... You know, I guess that's how I was able to wake up early, you know, and so waking up early, I'm alert. You know, I mean, I guess I could have ate breakfast, but I didn't want to, because I wanted to make sure I had a pretty good workout today. So today, I'm focused on like doing some back stuff, maybe get some of those chest things that I didn't do the other day, right? I don't know. I mean, the goal is, you know, the 10 miles on the bike and 5 exercises, doing it at least 50. 3 sets of 15 or a total of 50, right? But I'll probably do the 3 sets of 15 because I do it lighter on these days because I just wanted to, these days, like I had more than one. Well, today's the second one. But I'll do it a little bit lighter so I can just crank through it because it's time-wise. And then actually today I do have to return back home and then go get ready, get my Dodger gear stuff, and I'll be on my way. It'll be exciting, yes. So I would tell you all these different little secrets of the world stuff, but no, I mean, but today's like, I'll just focus more on the workout. But you know what's weird too is days like this, when I'm actually counting time, where I told you, yes, time ticks by really quickly. So this bike thing's probably going to go really fast because I'm going to be looking at the clock, thinking like, oh shoot, it's almost time to go. It's almost time to go. I mean, when you have a deadline and you're going to try and crank it out, well, let's see what happens. You saw me when I started. I mean, I doubt if I could get it done before DeAndre finishes. That's at 6, because I 4:56. That means I'd finish about 5:40. And then crank, oh gosh. Well, I did it before. I did that 15-minute the last time, but we'll see. So, all right, let me get myself mentally prepared. I guess I probably have to pedal faster so I can finish the 10 miles faster. So let's do that. Crank it. Okay. So this way I have to focus. All right. Okay, it's 5:39. Oh, shoot. Almost there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Wow, 45 minutes. There we go. Time to go to work. Here we go. 37 and a half. That's somewhere else. believe it, 6 o'clock. Here we go, I just wanted to show you. Got up before DeAndre shifts up.
Yeah.
So you know it's before 6 o'clock.
Yep, 6:02.
Because he's done. All right.
I see you on the
Thanks, man. Yeah, I'll be here again. Right? I'm gonna go to dry sauna. There we go, day 92 in the books. An early morning workout. And then, so there. Yes, I did a lot today, and then you have like that blue kind of coming out. It's like 6:05, I gotta go home, shower. No Chick-fil-A today. I mean, you know, that was just a one-time reward type thing. Well, maybe I'll reward myself again, but not today. Because today, I'm gonna reward myself with probably like 5 Dodger dogs later. Where's my car? What? But yeah, so, you know, I'm proud of myself that I got that. I mean, I felt like I was really whizzing through this thing, and it was awesome. And then, but I guess that's my indicator, like during certain days, like if DeAndre's here, if I get out before he gets here, then, yeah, we'll see. But anyways, Big Daddy Shin, 92 days in a row, 24 Hour Fitness. If I could exercise 92 days in a row, you could exercise 92 days in a row. Because if I could do it, you could do it, and I am doing it. Bringing it, waking up 4:30 in the morning, coming out and doing this. If I could do this every day, oh my gosh. I mean, there's no promises and stuff, but you know, like I said, it's lifestyle reset. Let's try to change that one thing that you can do, and then if I can wake up that early, fine, let's go, right? But tomorrow, there are no promises because I'll have all those Dodger dogs at me. But we'll see. But I feel pretty good, and I probably weigh in the 270s today, so I'm gonna hang out during school like weighing 270 something. But I don't know. We'll see. YouTube live at 6, right? Anyways, Big Daddy Shin. I will see you next time. There it is. End of the workout. If I could do it, you could do it.